Alright guys, hi, good morning. Now we are at the Merapoh starting line for our 25 km today, and we already arrived. Our bus have some hiccups. You can see all the runners is already gathering. I think this morning, I think about 1+, there's a heavy rain, and hopefully today we have a smooth run for everybody. Alright, so stay tuned. I'm very excited today because we are running by group. Most probably this year around there are some changes. Every CP they don't have cut-off time. Only the finishing will be the cut-off time. So for the 25 km, cut-off time will be the 7 hours. Okay, 7 hours. You see, 7 hours is quite long, but not really. But the routes, we also can't see how the route look like. But we just hear from friends. Yesterday they have a 50 km run. They are roughly, we know what you are going to expect. All right. So good luck to me and good luck the rest of my group here. This is.
Hello. Hi, I'm Edward.
Edward.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello.
Who is this?
Sophia.
Sophia. Oh, Sophia. Where is our Uncle Benny? Oh, Uncle Benny is missing with another uncle. Oh.
Hey, Uncle Benny.
Benny, where are you?
Down there lah. And Lee and Richard down there.
Okay, 25. Who are you?
I'm Derek here.
Oh, and you?
I'm Tracy.
What happened to you?
I dropped my towel.
Alright. So that is very normal. Okay, very normal. Alright, so we will gather together at the starting line now.
医生看医生，你也是介绍他一个医生。
MERAPOH Rainforest Trail 2023 once again. Can you make some noise? In the count of
Ready.
10, 9, 8, 7, help me out. 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
go! Enjoy yourself, guys.
Now we are go inside the cave. Alright, so headgear up.
One, two, three. I think 3 lah. Right.
Right. Okay. We all have. Wow, berselut, okay? So masuk selut. There's a mud there, so that's why we are slow down the people. From the knee. Sorry. Here. Follow. A rock on the bottom, you'll hit your knee. Full of mud. So we go back to the palm oil plantation again. What?
Wow.
Wow!
Boleh tahan.
Boleh tahan.
Wah, tinggal lah. Kau changing rahsia.
Our good friend all there already. Run slowly only. The flat one run. Going to, there's a cave over there in front. Morning very cooling, very nice weather, but there's got a lot of mud on the floor due to heavy rain. Oh, so beautiful. There's a cave. Wow, see the water. Wow. Ooh. Just a bamboo forest. Okay, bamboo forest slope. All right. Slope. I'm gonna help my friend. Yeah. Here, can. Careful, slow, See, see, stuck already. See, okay, here. Go up. Slowly.
Go so fast.
No, don't go so fast. Hold here.
How to go?
You stand here. Stand.
You stay here.
Stand this side,
Okay,
center part here. Center part there. Then your whole hand here already. Okay. Masuk sini. Okay.
Sama-sama.
See ya. Boleh. Sorry. You just follow the footprint. There's a lot of mud. Had to cross. So now I think the distance having passed about 5 km. So another 4.5. You're gonna have a checkpoint 1. Here you can't run, very muddy.
Not 5 km.
Other side.
2 hours already. 140.
5 km. 5 km.
5 km, 2 hours already. Quite long.
Yeah.
20 km.
Yeah, that's why I say you're losing
20 km only.
losing the time. The other side, maybe half an hour. So you have to run a little bit, walk a little bit. Wow. Whoa! The stream already. Wait! Wow, what is that? Whoa, okay. Very nice river. River crossing. Ini bukan crossing. River, jalan river. Okay guys, this is what we are waiting for. Alright, so technically it's a bit alright. So whatever your handphone, all this prepare to put inside the ziplock. Alright, otherwise your iPhone, all these are gone case. Alright. OK， 到了，我要等我的朋友了啊。好咯，这个all the way on。
他们讲要很小心，
对，
因为很多那个青苔啊。
青行啊，
青苔。
有青苔啊，现在不那个隔壁on the side 哦。哦。不 on the side， 不要 short center 啊。那边慢慢那边过。Beautiful place to walk. Yeah. Alright. Some behind, some in front already. There are many of them. One bus can be a few groups. So you are from?
KL.
KL. Some Kuantan, some KL. Some from here, Pahang. So how you come here?
We came yesterday.
Oh, okay.
Then we stayed at the hotel.
Oh, nearby.
By Gomisang.
Musang. Oh, nice place. Have you go to the railway station?
No.
Oh, you should go there. You got one Goa.
Oh, it's quite famous, is it?
Yes. Must go there. Here, walk here. Don't try so hard. Wow, very deep. Go to the side. Really? Wow. This the front one really deep. Ada sudah lepas pinggang. It's a waistline already, so depend on your height. Careful, careful! Got somebody fall down at the back. So strange. Quite challenging because you can't see due to the water level. You can go to the knee level. 那边 on the side, on the side. If you cross away the other side 可以啊，要小心一点啊。那个 bottom they have a route getting higher and higher, deeper and deeper. Okay, I think cross. Cross. 对 cross. So that's one of the deepest so far. Alright, yeah. So dry, clean, mud, dry, clean, mud. This how you experience walking in the river. Okay. Checkpoint 1. Alright, checkpoint 1. Oh lama ni apa ni? Ui.
Dah.
Hello. Big number ah. Oh. Dah scan ah. Alright. Okay, good morning. Selamat pagi. Alright.
Oi, kau ekor. Ekor.
Ni panggil apa? Akok. Kuih akok. Kelate. Oh, molek tu.
Ye. Ngombe. CP1.
So we continue to CP2. Water not need. We have enough. Today is quite good weather. After the raining in midnight, but 1 plus, I walk like a shop and I pray he will stop. Yes, my prayers have been heard. Okay, so today we try our best to finish it. So I quite worried. My friend at the back, Benny, I think maybe not far from me, they already crossed the river. We are across the CP1 now and continue our trail. It's not as tough as 3 years ago that we participate the last Merapoh. It's 2019, not mistaken. And what I can remember, we're not able to walk across the river. At that time, the water is really high. It's more than the shoulder length levels. And this year, I find that's a God bless. Everybody can enjoy the river walk. And here I can see really beautiful scene. Really, there's a rubber plantation at the back. You can see all the forests, the mountains, and you can see the sky is really low. At the moment, I hope it won't be raining. Hello. Apa khabar? Oh, very hot. So we need to run along the road side. You can see the highway in front of me. I think most probably can pass underground. It's a long way. It's underpass. This underpass. A bit of shelters. Wah, ada lampu punya tak lampu je. Beneran gelap gelita. Wah, really Walau oh, ini mana? Mana mau pergi? Sini kot. Ke sana? Sana kot. Hah? Ni ah? Hah? Sini ah? Waduh, gelap dia ni. Sini sini. Ni macam Oh, ada bunyi. Ada bunyi. Wah, sudah nampak terowong. Aduh. Gelap betul lah siap. Gila lu. Wah. Oh yo. Ni ada penggali lagi ni. Hah? Oh, weh. Wah. Very nice. Wah. Yes. Wish. Wah. Ya, sabar. Laju sama lah. Biasa. Dia kering basah. Wah, suatu turun lagi. Wah. Ini apa ni? Jambatan ke apa? Pasal motor. Betul. 109. 2019. Dia reverse. Dia ikut tepi. Tepi naik kan. Dia ada tali tu. Tak ada papan, betul. Alright guys, we are the CP2. Alright, for 25k. Don't see wrongly. This one is CP8. 400 miles, okay. Alright, so manis ni, kuning ni.
Kuning lah.
Memang manis dia 2 kali ganda. Betul tak?
Merah pun manis juga.
Kuning dia sudah kalahkan ni lah.
Dia dah kacau Yumi datang. Saya makan merah dulu, rasa kuning tak manis.
Itu pasal. Ni apa? Boom isotonic vitamin C lagi lah. Tengok, kita try apa dia punya flavor.不错，香一样。Alright, now we are at the CP2. Alright, so another one about 6.2 or either 7 km. You'll finish the finishing line. Alright, so this time, I think most probably we still have time. You can take your time here and drink whatever you want, refresh yourself. Okay, you want to change your socks, whatever. Alright, right? No hurry. Alright, we are there already. Almost. You see, the almost is the difficult one. Huh? The last fight is tak ada shelter one.
Tak ada. Oh.
Especially
Itu highway.
about what km do you have to go to highway?
Here is a place that the 2019 starting point. I still remember at that time we have to took a four-way drive, and some of them they take a lorry. They'll stop over the other side, load the people. This is the starting line, and we go until the other side. There's the cave that we have a roadblock. All right, a lot of people like this morning at the other side of the cave, the same situations. Now this is a balance, another 7 km approx. We're going to the finishing line. It's a hard work. It's a good weather, but however, now it's pretty hot. I have no energy to run. I just have a power walk all the way. 100 km 100 mile?
Ya.
Wah. So panas.
Itulah.
Ya. So mau sampai ya?
Hah?
Kita so mau sampai 25. Belum.
Sama kan?
Sama.
Sama. Pukul 2 kan? Sempat.
Alright guys, this is another tunnels. You go through. Very hot. Hello brother.
Take 5.
Kona lah.
Right.
Okay. Wah, panas. Oh, so turn on your right. All right, going. Oh yeah. Oh. This way. There's a fish pond here. There's a lot of tilapias. There's a lot, tons of it inside. Here you see the whole stretch. You can see the end there. The very small figures. You can't imagine. Really demoralize you to finish it. End of the race. Long way to walk. Walk under the sun. It will be busy and crazy. Cross the road, cross the railways. Side the way. Yay! Alright. Baru ada semangat. 还有一点，来走吧，我们不用走了，爬了啊，要到了。Alright guys, just a few hundred meters, we got the end of 25 km Merapoh Rainforest Trail 2024. Is it 24? I cannot recall already. Oxygen is low already. Alright. Correct me, 2023. Very hot. Let's see. Oh.
kawasan dari
Dulu macam tak ada jangkut. Dulu macam jangkut tak ada. Sorry. Meda.
Oh, medal. Alright. Berapa? Satu sajalah. 2 extra. Thank you. Why man? At the back, not so soon.
So really?
Also all at the back.
We heard with him
Huh? Guys, today really the last CP2 all the way go to the tarmac to the finish line. It's really a torturing, really. After the cave, there's a CP2. Rehydrate ourselves, relax for a while, continue. And we doesn't know that will be the hell they are looking for us. The place that we really demoralize us is at the farm, the fish farm. You can see a lot of rocks on the bottom. You not even can run. If you just a trip, that's it. You are in hell. So overall, I think the result is not that, but particular to me, I think I finished it without injury, and I'm quite satisfied with the river crossing. Past 2019, I participate 35 km Merapoh. We are not able to enjoy the river crossing. So I hope my friend will make it on time. You're waiting. Alright guys, that's all for today, the video. If you like my channel, please subscribe, share and like. Until see you again in the next video. Bye bye.